Yummy. What's in your snack mix?
First, we need to put cereal in.
Whoa, that's a lot of cereal.
I measured it.
You did? How many cups did you measure?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Whoa, that's a lot of cups.
Whoa. Now you need to put marshmallows.
How many marshmallows did you put in? How many cups did you measure? Do you remember?
No.
Thanks, Erin. And what's the next ingredient? What is that, Mia?
Chocolate chips.
Yum. Whoa, look at all those chips. That looks yummy. Do you remember how many chocolate chips you measured?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Wow, 13 cups. That's a whole lot. And then what do you do?
Stir it. I
Oh.
don't have my green one here because my mom didn't bring it.
Okay, well, that looks like a nice big black spoon. Oh, and I like how Mia's holding the side of the bowl so it doesn't tip. Did you practice stirring at home?
Yeah.
I can tell. And how do you know when it's all done?
I don't know how.
You don't know how, you just decide?
Yeah, I can just leave some for the office too.
Okay, so you scoop it. What are you pouring it into?
A cup, maybe.
A little cup.
These cups are so tiny.
But that's just the right size.
Yeah, don't eat any. Oh, put them in. Oh man. Slow.
Thank you.
I just have to let it. Don't move. I'm trying to get the cups.
And now let's let her fill one more, and then we'll have her do a little sample. Okay, Mia, can you give it a taste and let us know?
Don't eat it. I'm not. No.
What does it taste like? Whoa, she says thumbs up. Is it one thumb up or two thumbs up? Oh, one thumb up. What do you say to Mia?
Thank you.
Thank you, Mia. Let's give her a round of applause. Yay. Good job, Mia.